Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to install YouTube on your PC or laptop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back, friends. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here on your Chrome browser, click on the Google Apps. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you select YouTube and right click on it and make sure you click on open link in new tab. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to come to the YouTube. Is to simply come to the new tab, just like so. So the next thing you want to do here is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots. Then this is going to be drop down here. You need to come straight down and look for save and share. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to create shortcut. And this is going to pump up. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on, make sure this is checked, open as window, then click on create. Then in a few seconds, it's going to easily install. Then click on yes. So would you like to pin YouTube app to your taskbar? Click on yes. It's as simple as that. Then you have your YouTube in your taskbar. Next thing you can do here is to simply minimize your browser. Then you have YouTube app installed on your PC. Next thing you can do here is to simply click on the YouTube icon, press enter key on your keyboard, and automatically it's connecting to your YouTube account. Just like so, you have YouTube app successfully installed on your PC. You can maximize, then you have everything open up in full. So basically, this is how to install YouTube in your PC or your laptop without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.